Hi there, Steve Knutson here, Microsoft MVP for Office Apps and Services, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough of the SharePoint Brand Centre. So the Brand Centre came out in 2024, so you should have this available now in your environment. The starting point of this is to deploy the Brand Centre that configures a site and adds a component in to allow you to manage your brand. This is designed for sort of the corporate services team, corporate communications team, or the marketing team to have access to things. You'll see that by default, the site gives you a whole bunch of things that you can fill in to create sort of a branding resource for your organization. And it's just a SharePoint site, so you can extend it. I've asked the other day if you could add, say, for example, a image asset library. And so the answer is yes, it's just a SharePoint site, so you can do that. But the site has a special feature. If I go to the Brand Centre, so I click the cog and then to the Brand Centre, it brings me into a special page which has got the ability to create brand colors and fonts. You'll see in here, if I click into the fonts, it allows me to upload fonts into here. I can choose my font files. So if I've got a corporate set of standard fonts, I can upload those, or I can use this website here, fontpeer.co, if you're wanting to find some fonts for testing out. It's quite a good site with some free fonts on it, which you can grab font files to have a bit of a play around. So we just choose upload, we upload the font file, and that registers it in the fonts. Once we've done that, we can then use, scroll down a bit here, we can apply our brand to SharePoint. So in here we can create font packages. So we go new font package, give the font package choose the font that we want to use for that. So I'm just going to choose a style script one here. And our content font, I'm going to use this one called After Smile. In fact, I might flip those around the other way. You can, of course, use fonts that are a little easier to read than these ones. The reason I've chosen these fonts is because they stand out, so you can see where they appear in the UI. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to choose the different pairings. So for my heading, I'm going to use the style script at the top there, and I'm just going to choose regular. If it's got like bold or italics, then you can choose those options too, and so on. I'll just keep going down and do the same thing all the way down. Our body font down here, we're going to use the style script and regular. Interactive or style script, and I'll choose regular as well. Then next, once we've done that, we've got our font package created. We can preview in SharePoint. So this is what it'll look like in the SharePoint site. You can see the heading font colors, and you'll see the ones which are not changed. So not all elements change. There is a guide in Microsoft Learn on which fonts, which areas the font applies to and where it doesn't. And also in Viva Connections, we can also apply the fonts here. So you'll see how they appear in Viva, which is pretty cool. Okay, so once we've done that, we're just going to go back out of here. I'm just going to go next. So I should have saved my package. I need to give it a name, so I'm just going to call this one Demo 2, and I'll save that. Now, if I just zip back over to here again into our branding center, you'll see I've got font colors as well. So I can also in here, if you go down, you'll see you can add themes, and you can create custom themes from your custom colors. So you start by adding your brand colors using the color option at the top, and then you can build a custom theme. So once you've done that, if we jump over into a SharePoint site and then go to change the look and look at the options in here. Firstly, the theme. You'll see I've got a theme here called Demo Theme. This theme came from my Brand Centre. So you create your organizational themes and publish them out to the organization. A little bit easier, no PowerShell involved. And also, if I go out of there, in fact, what I didn't do then was save, but if I go back into here and go font styles, you can see the different font sets in here. So you can have some that are organizational ones. There's some provided by Microsoft. They've got a bunch of default ones in here as well. So we just choose one of these. You'll see the font change. And if we go to our font demo one, you'll see it changes again. And font demo 2, which is the one we just created, you'll see the font here. So you can create these font packages and push them out. Packages can be both at the site level or at the tenant level, so available to everyone. So that's pretty much all you need to do to create fonts with the Brand Centre. One little thing to note is that in the Admin Centre, if you go into settings for your tenant and then into your organization settings, you'll see in here an option for Brand Centre, and in the Brand Centre options, you've got the URLs to the parts that I jumped into before, so the site and the add-in, which gives you the features. So yeah, have a bit of a play. It's quite good, I think. You can answer some of the common questions that people have asked over the years about, can we have a custom font? Well, the answer now is yes, you can. Not everywhere, but for the most part, you can. And if you combine this with some of the lovely new web parts that Microsoft are rolling out, I think you can create an even more beautiful SharePoint site. So hopefully you've found this useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.